Hello, Naomi here with Texas Vets Roofing, and as you can tell from the title of this video, today we are going to go over how to pick the right roofing company or contractor. If you do not live in the DFW area, then you do not have the ability to use Texas Vets Roofing as a contractor, so you're out of luck as far as knowing a company that's reputable and as awesome as we are. But lucky for you, I've put together a guide that can help you in that process so that you can just go through all of these bullet points and make sure that you get the roofing contractor that is right for your home and that's going to be beneficial for you. There are a lot of premature roofing companies out there that are just trying to get a quick buck, and hopefully this will help you weed through the thorns, if you will. So first off, first bullet point here is going to be, how long has the roofing company been in business? This is not offensive to ask. You are the homeowner. You can ask whatever questions that you want to ask, or business owner. So, for example, Texas Vets Roofing has been in business for 8 years. That's enough time to get well versed in the roofing business. Another thing is, if a company has been around a long time, they're going to have good Google reviews. So be sure to look at their page online, do that research. But the problem with roofing is you don't necessarily have to have a lot of licensing and a lot of permits and stuff like that. So what you'll see is a lot of one-man band roofing companies. Essentially, you'll have hundreds of roofers in the Metroplex with their own company, essentially. So it's really hard to find the ones that are a whole team that's backing you, that have a process, that have accountability, and all those things. So that comes with time. So when you see a roofing company has been around for a couple of years, then you know that they are probably a reputable one. Bullet point number 2, you can ask for their insurance, ask for their license. Again, you're the homeowner, just ask. This is number 3. This is probably the most important. I would say ask for examples of their past work. Most reputable companies have no problem, already have a reference list, have no problem digging for before and after photos to present to you to prove their work. Most reputable companies are proud of their work, so they're happy to show you. So if you come across someone who's like, well, I don't have any documentation of work that I've done, then they're probably not proud enough of their work to keep that documentation. So that's something to keep in mind. Also, like I said before, Google reviews, go and look at them. Not to toot our own horn, but Texas Vets Roofing has 147 5-star Google reviews. So take a look, and that kind of stuff only comes with happy customers, consistently happy customers. So bullet point number 4 here is that price is not the only thing that matters. So something that's a little tricky with roofing companies is the price point. When looking for a good roofing company, you don't want to just get a bunch of bids and then see who is the lowest bid, especially if you're working with your insurance. It's always best to work with the company to get the most out of your insurance, rather than accepting whatever bid the insurance gives you and then trying to scram to find a roofing company that will do it for less than that. That's how you're gonna get what you pay for, essentially. That's how you're gonna, shoot yourself in the foot by having to use a company that doesn't even have the money to get all the right materials, and so they cut corners so that they can make a buck. And everyone has families to feed and stuff like that. So it's always good to think about, really, you're getting what you pay for. If you're not using insurance, when you get those bids, just be sure to go through the line items. They should be clear. They should be easy to read. So just keep in mind, price is not the only thing that matters. When it comes to roofing, you get what you pay for. It takes money to be in business for a long time. It takes money to keep happy customers. And that's something that will set a reputable company apart from one that is just trying to make a quick buck is the price point. So think about that. Everybody puts value in different things, and especially with something as important as your home. Your home is your greatest asset, and it's protecting everything you love. So when it comes to that, that's not the area that you want to cut corners on and leave in the hand of someone who's just trying to make a quick buck. So keep that in mind. Be sure to go over your line items. Be sure to go over your estimates. It's okay to take that time and sit down with your contractor. Actually, they prefer it because communication is key for a reputable business to work. So don't hesitate on asking questions to your contractor. Okay, something that's kind of sets apart a good roofing company from one that is not a good roofing company is, will a representative of the company that you choose be on site for that installation? Are they going to make sure that if you need new decking, you get new decking? Whatever it may be, random holes that come up, random repairs that need to be done, that they are there to make sure that you know exactly what's happening to your roof, and that any issues that come up, that you're not going to have a faulty roof system, and that it's going to be up to par and up to standard. So another good thing is ask what happens if you are not satisfied with the work. Ask beforehand. Say, so what if I don't like the job that you do? What happens then? That's a good question. Some people guarantee their work, some people do not. And also maybe go over your definition of satisfied. Go over what you expect to be done. They should line out expectations for you of what's going to happen, what exactly is going to happen to your roof, but over communication is key. And last but certainly not least, I would ask about unplanned repairs. Like I mentioned before, when who is performing the installation, when your roofing company is at your job, there may be unplanned repairs that come up. When you're getting it done through insurance, though, there should be someone who is well versed in how to supplement jobs. So that means that you're not going to be left having to pay more at the end and not just stuck with whatever the insurance has given you, because that roofing company is going back and fighting for you to get the money, everything that you need to pay for the job. So it is important to choose a contractor that knows how to deal with insurance and knows how to supplement and all those things. So I think that's it. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments below. If you'd like to talk about anything, if I should bring up a subject in roofing, let me know. Drop in the comments. I hope this video was helpful. I'm also going to put this list that I just told you below in the comments. If you copy and paste that list, be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much. Bye.